Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on camera grid lines and also turn it off at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings on the left corner here, and as you can see here we are in the camera settings. And to get access to the grid lines we have to slide down to useful features, and as you can see here we have the grid lines. By tapping on this button we can also turn it on and off easily, and I'm going to show you how it look like when it's turned on. And as you can see here we have these lines. This is useful when we, for example, want to use the rule of thirds in photography. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.